Hi, everybody. This is Attorney Mike Gravelin coming to you from Chicago as usual, and I got sent a video. It's really good. I can't remember his name now. Kim Bland, whatever. It doesn't matter. It's absolutely surreal. It was sent to me by Glenna. Thank you, Glenna. I really appreciate it. I've seen other videos on this guy, and he is out there, but this is absolutely surreal. This particular video, and it's not that long, but it's a good time. Let's get this thing started, huh? From the secret headquarters of the Sovereign Citizen Patrol, initiating video production sequence. We are no longer playing. So let's get revved up. It's time for Law Talk with Mike.
Respond yes or no to whether the matter's been resolved.
It sounds like
Judge.
Mr. Blandino is not going to sign the guilty plea agreement that he agreed to sign based upon him continuing to want to challenge this court's disqualification.
That's a mischaracterization.
Yeah, I should give a shout out. It's called Our Nevada Judges, and if you want to see it without me talking over it, I'd recommend it. They do a really good job putting stuff on there. It's really good work.
Dana Nevada versus Blandino, C341767.
Okay, someone's got to tell me this in the chat. Is this the same judge as my Drunk Attorney in Court series? It sure sounds like her. But in that series, and those are older videos, but in that series, she's blocked out the whole time. So you see this judge here. They put her name down there. I'll say it in a minute. But, you know, it certainly could be her, and it sounds like her.
Mr. Dickerson and Mr. Bateman, I saw them. You know what? I think Mr. Bateman has somewhere else to go. So, this is it.
There it is, the Honorable Michelle Levitt. I think that's got to be the same judge. And to have Kim Blandino and the Drunk Attorney in Court in one career is saying something.
Page 5 is not here.
Is Mr. Cleaver here?
3 emails this morning again.
Mr. Dickerson's files are on, but they're not out in the hallway.
Yeah, I know that Mr. Bateman had another appearance. Is Mr. Blandino gonna appear via Blue Jeans or? Okay.
Gave him the link and the password.
Okay.
Page 6, our last one, I think.
Mr.
Mike said he
Dickerson.
sent his, he's trying to set him up to get on video now.
Okay.
I'm gonna check right now to see if there's GPS.
Mr. Dickerson told me he's gonna take Blandino across the street to his office and get him on camera. So he said it shouldn't be too long.
So the DAs are gonna let him in their office with no mask? Okay.
Oh, no. Huh, I don't know.
Well, I'm
I
just
don't-
saying.
Yeah, I don't know.
Parties here on State versus Blandino? Oh,
Now we are.
Yes, Your Honor.
oh,
Mike,
perfect. Okay.
Where I can't see.
yeah, we can't.
This is Kim Blandino appearing pro se for Kim Blandino. I'm with Dickerson here outside the Clark building. I just want to enter my objection. I can't see stuff on this Blue Jeans. I was in court with Justice Cherry the other day at a settlement
Okay,
conference.
that's enough. Okay, Mr. Blandino, that's enough. Case C 341767.
Can you speak up a bit, Judge? I can barely hear you.
I sure can. So I have Mr. Dickerson here for the state. Is standby counsel present?
He just texted me at 12:47 and said he's finishing up on another hearing. He's right upstairs on the floor above you in Judge Israel's courtroom. Oh, now I can see a little better. You're a little blip in the back.
We will wait for Mr. Bateman. And then, Mr. Dickerson, has the matter been resolved?
Well, we've come to a negotiation. At this point in time, it's my understanding as Mr. Blandino's conveyed his intent to enter the guilty plea that we've come to in our guilty plea agreement. I don't know where he stands at this point, though.
Well, Judge,
I mean, look at this outfit, that tie that he's got going on. I mean, I don't even know what that's from. Is that an ascot? What is that? Apparently it is. Let me see here. We've got a vote for Ascot there. The whole situation is crazy, and this prosecutor seems to be a very reasonable guy, and it's not going well with him.
Is it time for me to speak, or are we waiting for Ben?
Yeah, we'll wait for, we'll wait
I think we
for,
should wait for Ben.
we'll wait for
He
Mr.
should be
Bateman.
in.
Thank you.
We have all parties here.
Okay, recalling Blandino. Mr. Bateman, do you want to make your appearance?
Yes, Judge, number 9338, semi-council.
Okay, thank
Again, this is standby counsel. So he's a defense attorney. He looks like a sharp guy who knows what's going on, but he has no faith in this process, and that's because he's already spoken to Kim Blandino, and he knows that this is not going to work.
you. So I have this on for entry of plea. Has this matter been resolved?
Well, if I can speak, it's Kim Blandino here. I told Michael this is, by the way, this is a result of the settlement conference we had on Friday, where we were with Justice Cherry, and I was up
Has the
in
matter been resolved? Yes or no?
the thing is, Judge, I told
And
Michael
Mr.
in an
Dickerson,
email.
can someone please
It's resolved.
respond yes or no to whether the matter's been resolved?
It
I need
sounds
to
like,
make a record.
it sounds like
Judge.
Mr. Blandino is not going to sign the guilty plea agreement that he agreed to sign
Okay.
based upon him continuing to want to challenge this court's disqualification.
That's a mischaracterization. If you will, if I get the 8th Judicial District
No, it's not. It's exactly. Then he proceeds to say basically exactly what the prosecutor just said.
Court judges to disqualify themselves, I'll follow forward with a judge outside of the 8th Judicial District to preserve those issues on appeal. This is on direction by the Nevada Supreme Court.
So his terms are the judge, everyone has to disqualify themselves, and then he's going to proceed forward as if we believe that.
In this amended petition that was denied on October 14, 2021,
Okay.
they say on page 5,
Thank you, old dog.
such arguments involve factual issues better resolved on appeal with a complete record. I need to make a complete record.
Oh, yes.
I got new
So then the
information.
parties need to
I
be
got
ready
new
to go to
information
trial
about
on
this.
December 6th. There's
got
nothing,
new
if you're
information.
not going to resolve it
Parties have a
today,
motion to
that's fine. We
disqualify
don't have to.
against you, Judge.
So it is on for
There's
November
another motion to
30th for calendar call.
based on-
And I just indicate to the parties they need to be ready to go forward with trial on December 6th.
Understood, Your Honor.
Well, I'm not ready to go to
Thank you so
trial
much.
with you, Judge. You're biased,
Okay, we'll see you on December 6th.
and I got to call you as a witness.
Okay.
Wow. So it looks like this thing is set for trial. I mean, that's the deal. You either have a plea bargain or you don't. Then you go to trial, and it's set for December 6th. I have no idea if that's open, and I don't know if it's available. But if anybody has a line on a link to that, or if that is being broadcast so that you can look at it, I would love to see that. I've seen other videos with this guy. He is really out there. I don't know why I haven't done one before. But, this is the first one, and it sent to me, and it was newer. Again, thanks to our Nevada judges. And, go check it out there if you don't want to, deal with me while it's doing it. It's very short. The whole thing is only 5-6 minutes.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
And don't forget to hit like and subscribe, or the dogs get it.
Here at Law Talk, we like to have fun with silly stuff that happens in court, and every once in a while, and completely by accident, I assure you, you might learn something. Thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody coming out. That was fun.